Using an oven may vary depending on the type and model you have, but here's a general guide on how to use a conventional oven. Number 1. Preheat the oven. Turn the temperature dial or set the digital display to the desired temperature. Wait for the oven to reach the set temperature before placing your food inside. Most ovens have a preheat indicator that shows when it's ready. 2. Prepare the food. While the oven is preheating, prepare your food. Place it on an oven-safe dish or baking sheet. You can also use parchment paper or aluminum foil for easier cleaning. Step 3. Place the food inside. Open the door carefully and carefully slide the food onto the middle rack. The middle rack ensures even cooking. Step 4. Set the timer. Set the cooking time using the oven's timer function. You can usually find this as a separate knob or digital display. Step 5. Cooking. Close the oven door gently to maintain the temperature. The oven will cook the food for the set time and at the selected temperature. Step 6. Check for doneness. Use an oven mitt to carefully open the oven door and check if your food is cooked to your desired level. If not, you can continue cooking it for a bit longer. Notice I'm not using an oven mitt in this video because I don't have one, but you're supposed to use an oven mitt, so please take note of that. Step 7. Turning off the oven. When your food is cooked, turn off the oven by either turning the temperature knob to off or pressing the appropriate button. Step 8. Removing the food. Use oven mitts carefully to remove the dish or tray from the oven. Notice I don't have an oven mitt, but I'm supposed to. If you're going to be doing this, use an oven mitt and not just a rag like I'm doing. Place it on a heat-resistant surface. Step 9. Letting it cool. Allow your food to cool for a few minutes before serving. The dish will remain hot even after being removed from the oven. Step 10. Cleaning. Once the oven has cooled down, you can clean any spills or residue inside. Refer to your oven's manual for cleaning instructions. Remember, these are just general guidelines. Always follow the instructions specific to your oven model and the type of food you are cooking. If you are new to using your oven or unsure about its features, consulting the user manual can be very helpful. Additionally, always prioritize safety by using oven mitts, not overloading the oven, and being cautious around hot surfaces.